My dear students, in this question, we are given that ACB is a right angled triangle, right angled at C. M is the midpoint of side AB and MD is parallel to BC. ACB is the right angled triangle, right angle at C. M is the midpoint of the hypotenuse AB and MD is parallel to BC. And we have to prove that D is the midpoint of AC. D is the midpoint of AC. MD is perpendicular to AC and CM is equal to MA is equal to half of AB. This we have to prove. Let us start from the first part. D is the midpoint of AC. It is given that in triangle ABC, it is given that M is the midpoint of side AB and MD is parallel to BC. ABC is a triangle. From the midpoint of the one side of the triangle, MD is drawn parallel to another side of the triangle. It means it will bisect the third side. It will bisect the third side, that is D would also be midpoint of AC. This is converse of MPT, converse of midpoint theorem MPT. So M is the midpoint of AB, MD is parallel to BC. So by midpoint theorem, D is midpoint of AC. By MPT converse. D is the midpoint of AC. Now the second part. Second part is we have to prove that MD is perpendicular to AC. This was the first part, now the second part. We are given that MD and BC are parallel to each other. MD and BC are parallel to each other. And AC is the transversal. AC is the transversal. So, angle ADM and angle ACB will be equal by the property of corresponding triangles. MD and BC are parallel, AC is the transversal, so by property of corresponding angles, angle ADM is equal to angle ACB, which is given as 90 degree. So, it is proved that MD is perpendicular to AC. Now, we are going to prove the third part, in which we have to show that CM is equal to MA is equal to half of AB. Third part. We have to show that CM is equal to MA and both are equal to the half of AB. So, in these two triangles, we are going to make them, prove them congruent. We are going to make them congruent. These two triangles, ADM and CDM. But before we take these two triangles, let us see that this angle ADM is equal to 90 degree. We have proved it. Okay. And CDM and ADM both make a linear pair. CDM and ADM make a linear pair. So angle ADM plus angle CDM is equal to 180 degree because they are making a linear pair. But as we know, ADM is 90 degree. So angle CDM is also of 90 degree. Now taking these two triangles, triangle ADM and triangle CDM. D is the midpoint, we have proved already. So AD is equal to CD, AD is equal to CD, AD is equal to CD, because we have proved in the second step that D is the midpoint. These may be terminal 1 and angle 1 and 2. Angle 1 equal to 2 is equal to 92 degree, proved already. And DM, side DM is equal to DM, it is common. Angle 1 and 2 are equal, proved already. D is the midpoint of AC, so AC and CD are equal, proved already. And this one, DM, is common. So by SAS, by SAS criteria, the triangles are congruent and CM is equal to MA by CP city. Okay. Now M is the midpoint of AB. It is given to us. M is the midpoint of AB given to us. So MA is equal to half of AB. MA is equal to half of AB. So half of AB equal to MA. Combining these both, we can write CM equal to MA equal to half of AB. This is our third part. In the first part, we have proved D as the midpoint. In the second part, we have proved MD perpendicular to AC in the second part, and in the last, which is third part, we have proved CM equal to MA equal to half of AB. Thank you.